Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. My name is Satya Prasad and this is my introduction. I've done I've born and brought up in Nalgonda in Telangana state nearby Hyderabad. So I've done my graduation in computer science and engineering CSC from Satyabama University Chennai, and I graduated in the year of 2022. And my passion, my hobbies are playing volleyball and reading books, and so that is what my basic introduction is. And the reason that I took investment banking as a career from a BTech graduate or from a non-finance background graduate is, so actually I'm more passionate in finance. So I came to know this when I'm in college. So I used to read a lot of newspapers in finance field, and I felt very fascinated how stock market is going to work, and uh, I'm really want to know what this all investment is all about, how companies or what shareholders are, everything I want to know. So to do, I've started my research and I came across these different fields, and later I felt like I have unique skills that I have, which is very natural to me, such as leadership skills and communication skills. So I thought it's better I should give it a try, because at an young age I should explore a lot of things. So later I have done a lot of courses and I came across a lot of theoretical part and most of the investment, but I am lacking how to apply those theoretical part into real life. So then I came across the Sematicus course that they are offering, and I felt like this is a best opportunity for me to get into a IB company and put my theoretical knowledge into the practical use and grow my career in this IB field. So that's why I took this IB field. So coming to my presentation topic, today I'm going to present about what is investment banking and what is investment banking, their roles and main functions of investment banking. So let me start with what the investment banking is all about. So, an investment banking is a specialized financial institution that helps companies, that helps people who have surplus amount of funds with people who have amount of funds. The deficit players are such as corporates and governments, and the surplus amounts of funds are investors. So, investors are such as institutional investors or high net worth individuals or corporates who have excess amount of funds, and they want to protect their money from inflation and also in a specific return on that. So that's why they are looking for an investment in different kind of assets. And when it comes to corporates, what their whole goal is to they need the money, and to raise the money they're willing to pay certain interest to the investor by using their capital. So to bridge these two kind of needs, they are both win-win kind of situation. To facilitate this transaction, we use this specialized kind of institution called as investment banking, where their whole role is to serve this kind of business such as capital raising and financial advisory, capital raising and financial advisory services. And the main and most important functions of IB are: one is capital raising. So capital raising, actually there are two sides of investment banking. One is called as buy side and second side is sell side. In buy side, the investment bank offers services to people who wants to raise funds or people who have deficit amount of funds, and they help these deficit players by raising capital through markets such as capital markets or money markets. So whenever a company, when it comes to IPO, IPO is an initial public offering, and it's issued when the company first enters the market. Yeah, and second service is mergers and acquisitions. In this case, the company helps two or three companies merge together to both align their strengths for the competitive or make more profits in the future. And the third is financial advisory. So next we will go to what are different fields in buy side and sell side of investment banking. So first we'll come to the sell side. The sell side is also called as core investment banking. Here, the company serves to corporates and governments where they want to raise capital from the investors with in capital markets by issuing securities like stocks, bonds, or financial instruments or money market instruments. And here the company helps them in underwriting, market making, and mergers and acquisitions. This is their field in sell side. Next, we will come to the buy side of investment banking. In buy-side investment banking, the investment bank serves to investors such as corporates, high net worth individuals, and institutional investors. And here, it helps investors find the specific kind of securities or assets where they can park their funds, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. And here, the role of investment banking is to provide services such as research and investment advisory, or advising them what kind of investment should they have to make, and based on the risk appetite and based on their risk appetite and based on their expectations in the future. And second is broking and dealing services. Here, what the role of the investment banking is, they represent investor in the stock exchanges by placing order on behalf of them. And the second is dealing. Here, the investment bank acts as a seller to the buyer and the buyer to the seller. By 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 becoming these two roles for different roles, what it helps is, it helps create a market for the people who want to buy and sell. And also, the investment bank can facilitate transactions such as derivatives using this dealing structure. And the third is SPL. In SPL, the company borrows, shares, borrows, and lends. So here, the lender has securities, and the securities they lend to earn a SBL fee on the securities. And the next is risk management services. Risk management services are more like derivative products. Here, just a minute, guys. And the next slide, we will get into my issue, please. The roles of investment banker. In investment banking, there are different kind of roles that a banker such as us we are going to take. And the first role is the investment banker. Here we will get involved in deal orientation, like negotiation and execution. This is more of front office role. And here we will more represent, we will be directly connected to the clients by understanding their needs and giving them advice on those needs. And the second is analyst. In this analyst role, what we do is, we will analyze different kind of companies, such as public companies, private companies, to know the valuation of their business, to invest in the company or not. And the third is trading. What we do is, in this trading is more of a market dealing structure. What we do is, we'll execute buy and sell orders in the market by analyzing the overall structure. And more basically, it is about buying and selling and providing liquidity services to investors. So that is what the roles, different roles in investment banking. And the next slide, that's all, guys. Now, Q&A session. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah, Mahesh, you can ask any question. Mahesh, Bharat, and Api.
Why did you join IB? You are
Yeah,
a creative background.
yeah, that's the right question. So, as I've said, I am not from a finance background. I came from a computer science background, which is BTech, totally different background. The reason that I'm chosen this IB field is, I'm more actually I'm passionate about this field, because when I'm studying in the college, I came across this investing and like index investing, those kind of things. So I felt like I should explore more on those things, and it came naturally to me. So until then, I didn't know about what this all about, but later I came across these things. So, and also the skills that I have, like leadership skills and communication skills. And I felt like the skills are more aligned to IB role, like communication, meeting new people, than the computer science field, where it is more into problem solving and like coding skills. So I felt like here my skills and my passion is matching. So to explore more, I came into this IB field. So I want to build my career in this IB field by entering into a bank first, and later I want to grow my career in this field. So through my networks, that's why I've chosen this IB. Yeah, yeah, Bharat on Natik, any questions? Okay, so shall I ask you? Yeah, Mahesh.
Actually, you have. Why did you join BTech then? You have so many interest in finance.
Yeah, that's the right question. So, uh, well, actually, I like more into doing problem solving skills like using math. So at that time, I felt like BTech is a best career for me because this computer science is all about solving different kind of math equations like algorithms. So, but after going through my college, I, I felt like this I have more other skills than which is required in computer science, and I felt like uh, I want to meet new people and make business, and I'm more interested in making money. So I felt like more than computer in this field, I can earn a lot more by knowing the markets and making investments. That's why I've chosen this field. So it all came across these things.
You said now making money, more making money.
Hmm.
How? Let me explain.
Yeah, actually, while making money, what I mean is I mean by investing. So, what investing? Actually, there are two types of investing. One is investing in company based on fundamental analysis, and the second one is investing in companies by using technical analysis or those kind of things like predicting like market charts, everything. So I'm more into the first field, which is making investments in the company based on the fundamentals of the company. Uh, in this field, what we came across is first we will analyze different companies. So I didn't understand your question, Mahesh. Can you repeat it again, please?
You said now making money. You
Yeah,
want
yeah.
more making money. How? How?
Uh,
Which
yeah, yeah.
direction? Buy side or sell side? Like that.
Oh, yeah. So I'm more interested in representing investor like buy side more than sell side. And in buy side, we pool money from investors, right? So we will represent investors. And how what I felt is I can make money by helping with my expertise to the clients by making investments on their behalf and earning a small percentage of the return to me and making that's how I want to make money. So that's how I want to start my career. So that's how what I felt.
Good.
Yeah, yeah, that's all, guys. So
Yeah.
I want to just ask you one or two questions. So what I want to ask is, so we talked about different roles like buy side and sell side. In buy side, we represent the investors. So, but before representing investors, we need to know what is their goal, right? So, what is the goal of an investor when before? Why do they want to invest in the securities, or why do they want to invest? What is their goal of investing in assets? What is their goal?
To earn profits, to earn profits from the investment they make.
Okay,
To raise the capital.
okay. Uh,
Actually,
yeah. Yes, Mahesh.
they actually they raise the funds in investing to through fund manager or portfolio manager to increase money.
Yeah, I think Katika has answered correct. So the goal of an investor is when before investing in the securities or uh, while they are why they want to park their money is one to protect against inflation because when we keep money in a safe locker it does not produce anything, so the money value will decrease over time. So to protect themselves, they need to grow that money at least to the inflation level so that their purchasing power will be protected. And the second one is to earn a decent return because now they have the money but they are not spending it now, right? So they are delaying it to the future. So because they are delaying by not spending now, they should at least get some kind of return. They need to be compensated that, right? So that is the two major reasons why they invest in this, why they invest.
Small return.
Yeah, in
Yeah.
FD they will get a return, and but yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for providing me this opportunity, and I'm looking to for this. Yeah.